Everyone says AI will take your job. I said, fine, let it make me money. Built a crypto bot, and it's been running stable for several months, and it's generating passive income. Don't believe me? Look at the transactions right now. Real trades, real data, last 24 hours, all on screen. And here's what's crazy. I'm giving you the entire code for free. No paywall, no hidden course. Anyone can do this. Want to see how? At its core, this little program exploits specific inefficiencies on the Ethereum network, mainly by front-running trades on popular decentralized exchanges you've definitely heard of, like Uniswap. How? It pulls off what's known as a sandwich trade. The script constantly monitors the mempool, that's where pending transactions hang out, and the moment it spots certain trades, it bumps up the gas fee just enough to sneak its transaction in right before the target trade, then immediately follows it with a sell order. Clever, right? This lets us lock in a tidy profit from the exact price slippage caused by those pending orders. First things first, you'll need a wallet extension like this one if you don't already have it installed. Most mainstream providers will work just fine. Next, head over to this dev platform. It's purpose-built for deploying smart contracts straight onto Ethereum. I've dropped all the essential links you'll need in the description below, so feel free to grab them whenever. Go ahead and create a new file. Keep the name simple and just one word. Trust me, it'll save you headaches later. Here's the source code we'll be using. Yep, it's also waiting for you in the description. Since it's fully open source, you're absolutely welcome to audit the logic with any tool or service you prefer. Just copy and paste it into your fresh file. You'll notice the code comes packed with detailed comments explaining every step of the logic. Super handy for peace of mind. Now, take a peek at the side panel and switch to this tab. Make sure these two compiler versions match exactly. If they don't, just update yours to the same version shown at the top of the code file. Once that's sorted, click right here. Perfect. Now it's time to hook up your wallet extension. Jump over to this tab, pick this option from the list, and hit Connect when the pop-up appears. If everything's set up correctly, your account info should pop up right here. Go ahead and click this button to confirm. Don't worry, this deployment step costs less than $1. It's just a tiny network fee for spinning up your bot's infrastructure. And boom, there it is. Down below is your bot's control panel. Only 3 functions, and they're all super intuitive. Now, click this button to double check that everything deployed properly. Just verify that the address shown here matches yours. That little check confirms you've got full ownership and control over the whole setup. Next up, adding liquidity. Your agent needs at least 1 Ethereum to get going, though in my experience, 2 to 10 Ethereum is the real sweet spot. There's no hard cap on how much you can deposit, but during my own testing, I noticed returns started to plateau once I crossed the 50 Ethereum mark. More liquidity equals ability to handle bigger trades equals higher potential profits. But that 1 Ethereum minimum isn't arbitrary. It's mathematically required. Go below that and you'll run into gas exhaustion and liquidity errors that'll actually lose you money. So please, don't even bother running this bot unless you can commit at least 1 Ethereum, plus a bit extra for fees. Click here to copy your bot's contract address. Make sure your wallet holds at least 1 Ethereum plus a small buffer for transaction fees. Paste your bot's address, enter your chosen amount. I'm going to go with 2 Ethereum, and remember, it's got to be at least 1 Ethereum. Then hit submit. Awesome, liquidity is confirmed. Now let's verify the system sees it. Click this button. Looks great, everything's green. Time to flip the switch. Hit that start button right here and confirm the transaction. And just like that, it's live. I'll let it run quietly in the background and circle back in a little while. Fast forward a few hours. Let's check in by clicking here. Not bad at all. Keep in mind, performance directly mirrors real-time market volume. Your results will always ebb and flow based on network congestion and live volatility. That's just how it goes. To make sure this test holds up, I'm going to let it keep doing its thing for the rest of the day. All right, 24 hours down, a full day of autonomous trading. Let's see how we did. Whoa, incredible. There's something deeply satisfying about watching those numbers climb on their own. And if you peek into the terminal logs, you can track every single routing decision and executed trade the contract made. I really appreciate that transparency. Instead of just seeing a final balance, you get a full play-by-play of exactly what your agent did while the market was live. Whenever you're ready to cash out, just click here and confirm the withdrawal. Take a look at that. Seriously, remarkable. And honestly, it never gets old. One quick disclaimer before you go. This whole walkthrough is strictly for educational purposes. I'm not a financial pro by any stretch, just a curious builder sharing what worked for me. Nothing you saw today should be taken as professional financial advice. If you've got questions, I've left my contact info in the description. And hey, if you found this helpful, don't forget to drop a like and hit subscribe. I've got more deep dives like this coming your way very soon. Catch you next time.